My name is Christian Robinson. I'm an author and illustrator of picture books. Welcome to Storytime. For me, it's so important to just create pictures that are inclusive and represent as many different types of people as possible. So to see this space that is made accessible to as many different people as possible means everything. Today, I want to share a story with you all titled You Matter. I illustrated this book because I wasn't sure if everyone was receiving that message. I was even hearing those words that they or their life mattered. And so I wanted to show them that it does, and not for the reasons that you might think. You don't matter simply because of how good your grades are or how many trophies you've won. You matter simply because you're here, because you exist. The small stuff, too small to see. Have you ever looked under a microscope before and seen teeny tiny little things moving around? Those who swim with the tide and those who don't. The first to go and the last, you matter. When everyone thinks you're a pest, when something is just out of reach, when everyone is too busy to help, you matter. Can you see why all these dinosaurs are so busy? Where are they running from? Where are they going? If you fall down, if you have to start all over again, even if you're really gassy, did you know the sun is really gassy? It's like this big ball of gas burning billions of miles, millions of miles away? Who knows? Anyhow, you matter. Sometimes home is far away. We see this astronaut, and she's looking down at her home. It's your home too, right? Planet Earth. And she has something in her hand. Can you see what it is? It's like a little photo, a picture. Sometimes someone you love says goodbye. Has that ever happened to you? Someone you cared about had to go or leave and you say goodbye? Yeah. Sometimes you feel lost and alone. And look, we're in a busy city, and sometimes it can feel really loud, and you see all these cars and people, and here's a little dog who's lost. But you matter. Old and young, and look, the dog is back with its owner. And also in this picture, it says old and young, right? We see some old guys here feeding the birds, but this is a really big tree, and trees get really old. The bigger they get, some trees I think can live to be hundreds, maybe thousands of years old. The first to go and the last. The small stuff, too small to see. You matter. Thank you all for sharing in story time with me today. Just remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Creativity is your friend. And if you haven't heard it from anyone today, you matter.